Integrating permaculture principles into your homesteading journey can transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem. Start by observing the natural patterns in your environment. Identify sun, wind, and water flow to design an efficient layout. Zones are crucial. Place frequently visited areas like your vegetable garden closer to your home for convenience. Diversity is essential in permaculture. Plant a mix of vegetables, flowers, and herbs to attract beneficial insects and deter pests. Companion planting can enhance growth. For instance, growing tomatoes alongside basil can boost their flavor and health. Water management is key. Implement rainwater collection systems and use swales to direct runoff, ensuring optimal hydration for your plants. Incorporate perennial plants to reduce soil disturbance and increase resilience. Chickens can play a vital role too. They provide natural pest control and fertilization while foraging for food scraps. Finally, embrace the idea of closed-loop systems by composting kitchen waste to nourish your soil. By adopting these principles, you'll not only grow food sustainably, but also create a harmonious environment that supports both nature and your homesteading dreams.